Imagine a world without forests. It's a bleak picture, right? Now imagine the power we have to transform the barren landscape into a thriving green heaven. Welcome to our first alphabet A for afforestation. What is afforestation? Afforestation involves converting barren or agriculturally unproductive land, open grasslands, or arid regions into forest areas by planting native or adapted tree species. Unlike reforestation, which focuses on replanting trees into deforested areas, afforestation aims to create new forests in regions where no forests previously existed. Benefits of afforestation: environmental champion. First, climate change mitigation. Trees are nature's carbon capture machines. Through photosynthesis, they absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, and store it as biomass. This helps regulate Earth's temperature and combats climate change. Improved air quality. Forests act as a giant air filters. They trap dust and pollutants, releasing clean oxygen back into the atmosphere. This translates to a better respiratory health for all living beings. Soil superhero. Tree roots act like a strong network, anchoring the soil and preventing erosion from wind and water. This safeguards fertile land and prevents valuable nutrients from washing away. Water warrior. Forests play a crucial role in the water cycle. They absorb rainwater, reducing runoff and preventing floods. Additionally, tree roots help filter water, keeping our water resources clean. Biodiversity booster. Forests provide vital habitats for a vast array of plants and animals. From towering trees sheltering the birds to the complex network of the life, afforestation promotes biodiversity and creates a thriving ecosystem. Socio-economic powerhouse. Job creation, ecotourism paradise, recreation and relaxation. Challenges that can be for afforestation: climate suitability, long term maintenance, funding and resources. What are the solutions for afforestation challenges? Ecological assessments involving local communities, local environmental stewardship programs, public private partnerships, international funding mechanisms, community based financing models. Examples of afforestation projects: the Great Green Wall Africa. The Great Green Wall Initiative mission is to combat desertification and land degradation by creating a mosaic of green and productive landscapes across the Sahel region of Africa. Launched in 2007 by the African Union, the project aims to restore 100 million hectares of land by 2030, sequestering 250 million tons of CO2 and creating 10 million green jobs. Spanning 22 countries, namely Ethiopia, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Nigeria, Mali, Mauritania, and Senegal, have joined to combat land degradation and restore native plant life to the landscape. The Born Challenge. Launched in 2011, the Born Challenge is a global effort to bring 150 million hectares of deforested and degraded land into restoration by 2020 and 350 million hectares by 2030. What can we do? We can be a part of global movement of afforestation just by frequently joining a local tree plantation initiative, supporting organizations dedicated to afforestation, or even planting a tree in our own backyard. Every tree makes a difference.